Hey guys, I just want to show you guys how you can use a website called Answer the Public to do some research on keywords to help so you can come up with some cool video ideas for YouTube, or you can find out what people are actually looking for just by asking this questions basically. So what you do is you go Answer the Public in Google search, um, and then this will come up, answerthepublic.com. And then all you do is just type in your, for example, how to start a blog. And then all you do is do a search. Okay. I'm going to show you like different, so there's 76 questions on how to start a blog. Now, I know it's going to be hard to see this, so all I'm going to do, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit on this. So basically, you could see like these are all questions that people have asked. Okay, so you can see quite a few there. And if you just scroll down a little bit, okay, how to start a blog and make money, how to start a blog for free, how to start a blog and get paid, how to start a blog in India, how to start a blog for money. Again, you can have more ideas there. There's comparisons, how to start a blog like Huffington Post, how to start a blog and make money off of it. And this is what I'd recommend. I'd recommend just scrolling down to this section here, and then just going through, different letters. So, for example, how to start a blog and make money, UK, how to start a blog article, how to start a blog and make money, and then all you do is I would recommend like taking some of these ideas, putting them on like a notepad or something, then going to YouTube, and then basically just copy paste, some of those questions in, and see if you could rank for a video. Okay, so yeah, this is answerthepublic.com. It's just a quick video today, and I just wanted to show you this very cool, free, valuable tool. There also is a paid version of this. I'm not affiliated of this for this, but there is also a paid version of it. But as far as getting some ideas for videos or just trying to rank your videos, this may be a good start. So you can come here and use this for free. Okay?